Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Bright Spots tile. In the new window, you will see a preview, a sample of Bright Spots video. On the right, set a custom name for your feed. Click Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Available content views are Bright Spots 30, which is a 30-second video spot, or Bright Spots 60, which is a 60-second video spot. Click on the delivery method. Available delivery methods are Media RSS and Direct URL. Click Create Feed to create your new Bright Spots feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.